Good morning students, how are you all? Fine? Did you revise the question and answers which we had written yesterday? Yes? Okay. So today we are going to continue further, right? Yesterday we wrote till question number 6 and today we are moving on to question number 7. So, question 7. What type of words did Max collect? Right? So, what type of words did Max collect? Question mark. Don't forget to put the question mark. Right? Answer. So, can you remember what type of words did Max collect? Max collected Now, we will write the answer in next line, correct? So that you may remember all the points. First, A. Small words. Then, bigger words. Then, words which he liked. Words like to eat. Words which made him feel happy. Words which were spoken to him. Some of his favorite colors. And after that he moved on to collect words from the dictionary. So this is the last. Words from the dictionary. Right? This is the end of the answer. So what type of words did Max collect? Max collected smaller words, bigger words, words which he liked to eat, words which made him feel happy, words which were spoken to him, some of his favorite colors, and words from the dictionary. Hope this answer is correct. You all understood it? See, the answer may come in 3 to 4 lines, but when we will bifurcate it will become very easy for you to learn it, okay? So, what type of words did Max collect? Max collected, yes, come on, repeat after me. Max collected small words, bigger words, words which he liked to eat, words which made him feel happy, words which were spoken to him, some of his favorite colors and words from the dictionary. Okay? Finished writing, children? Hope you have finished writing, and now we'll move on to question number 8. Question number 8. What did Max do with the words? What did Max do with the words? Yes, what did he do with the words? Let's write the answer. Max arranged the words properly Max arranged the words properly and made a story, right? And a story was made, right? Written. Moving on to the next question. Question number 9. How did Benjamin and Carl react on knowing after learning about Max's hobby? What happened when Max told them that yes, he is going to collect words? So what was Benjamin and Carl's reaction? Benjamin and Carl started laughing. Benjamin and Carl started laughing, right? Next, question number 10. Question 10. What type of a boy was Max? What type of a boy was Max? Yes, what type of a boy was Max? Max was intelligent and a creative boy. Right? So, this is the end of question and answers. Hope you all have completed, right? Now, after you finish the question answers, we will recall the summary of this chapter. What we will recall? We will recall the summary of this chapter, right? So, summary. S-U-M-M-A-R-Y, summary, right? So, what is the story about? Story is about three brothers. Story is about three brothers. Who were the three brothers? Benjamin, Carl, Max, right? So the three brothers were Benjamin, Carl and Max. What did Benjamin like to collect? Benjamin collected stamps. What did Benjamin collect? Stamps. What did Carl collect? Coins. And what did Max collect later on? He decided to collect birds. Now, how many stamps did Benjamin have? Benjamin had 1000 stamps. How many stamps did Benjamin have? Nearly 1000 stamps. How many coins did Carl have? Nearly 500 coins. And collection of Max words. What type of words? Max collected small words, bigger words, words we like, words which made him feel happy. Words which made him feel happy. Words spoken to him. Words spoken to him. And in the end, what did they do? They created a story. And Benjamin and Carl also got along with him. They all shared their collection, and this is the story about Max's collection, right? So, can you recall the story once again? Yes, what is the story about? The story is about three brothers, Benjamin, Carl and Max. Now what did Benjamin collect? Stamps. What did Carl collect? Coins. What did Max collect? Words. How many stamps did Benjamin have? Benjamin had 1000 stamps. How many coins did Carl have? Nearly 500 coins. And what type of words did Max collect? Small words, bigger words, words he liked, words which made him feel happy, words spoken to him, and words from the dictionary. Right? So, this is the summary. After the question answers, you are going to write down the summary of the chapter. Okay? So here is the end of question answers and summary of the chapter. Okay? And now we move on to reference to context. Reference to context. Now what do you mean by reference to context? That means कोई सी बात कब कही गई? When was the thing spoken? Reference to context. Next is question 2. Reference to context. Right? Now, the first one is you don't have enough. You don't have enough, said Carl. Now, from which chapter are these lines taken? Question 1. From which chapter are these lines taken? chapter are these lines taken? So these lines are taken from the chapter Max's words. In reference to context, the first thing you must know is that from which chapter are these lines taken, right? So these lines are taken from the chapter Max's words. Question 2. Who did Carl say these words to? Who did Carl say these words to? Answer. Who did Carl say these words to? Yes? Do you remember, children? Try to remember. You don't have enough. आपके पास इतने ज्यादा नहीं हैं. These words, who did Carl say? Carl ने किससे बोला? Yes. Come on. Carl said these words to Max. कार्ल ने ये वर्ड्स किसको बोले? मैक्स को बोले कि तुम्हारे पास बहुत ज्यादा वर्ड्स नहीं हैं, राइट? अब लिसनर के पास क्या नहीं था? यहाँ पे आपको ये तो नहीं मालूम है कि क्या है और क्या नहीं है, क्या इनफ नहीं है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What did the listener did not have? What did the listener not have enough of? लिसनर, सुनने वाला. तो लिसनर कौन है यहाँ पे? हु इज लिसनिंग? मैक्स. सो मैक्स did not have enough words, right? So here we are going to wind up our class for today, and we will continue this in the next period also, right? Okay students, bye. Try to complete your copy neatly and in good writing without mistakes. I'll send you the notes also. Okay, bye bye.